Hello students, in the previous lecture we had learned the meaning of population and sample. In today's lecture we will study about two terms, that is parameter and statistic. So statistical constant of a population is called as a parameter and statistical constant of a sample is called as a statistic. Now how will you remember this? An easy way to remember is that parameter stands for population and both of them start with the same alphabet, that is P. Similarly, statistics stands for sample and they also start with the same alphabet S. Okay, this is a way how you can remember this. Now let us take an example for both of them. Suppose you are calculating the average height of all the people in the country. So here you will realize that what you are dealing with is the population. So the statistical constant that you will get will be the parameter. Similarly, if you are calculating the average height of people from a sample of 100 persons from each state, you will realize that you are working with a sample. So whatever statistical constant that you will get will be a statistic. Okay, now coming to the various statistical constants. Statistical constant mean for the population is given by mu. Similarly, statistical constant mean for the sample is given by x bar. Standard deviation of a population is given by sigma. Standard deviation of a sample is given by small s. Population variance is given by sigma square and sample variance is given by s square. Population proportion is given by p and sample proportion is given by p hat. The population size is given by capital N and sample size is given by small n. So now you will realize that all the statistical constants of the population are called as parameter and all the statistical constants of sample are called as statistic. Now the students will ask, what is the significance of this parameter or statistic? Okay, remember that as it is difficult or impractical to work with the entire population, we will be working with sample in real life. We'll be using the sample statistic to estimate the population parameter. This is the significance of a parameter and statistic. Similarly, during the exam, for example, the examiner might give you the value of small n equals to 1000 in one of the problems. Okay, so after reading this, you should immediately conclude that the examiner has given you a statistic, that is sample size equal to 1000. Similarly, if the examiner has given capital N equals to 1000, then you should conclude that the examiner has given you the population size, which is equal to capital N is equal to 1000. This is the meaning of parameter or statistic. That's it for today. In the next lecture, we'll cover sampling distribution. Thank you.